Go to the shortcut list. Tap Transfer Lock. Enter the recipient's email address. You can either enter the email address manually or scan the QR code. Select the door locks to be transferred. Tap Confirm. After confirming the request, tap Confirm. Enter account password. Tap Confirm. After sent successfully appears, tap Confirm. The door lock is being transferred. Completion requires acceptance from the recipient. The administrator may cancel the transfer at any time before the recipient accepts it. The recipient then taps the menu button in the upper right corner to open the side menu. Tap Receiving Transfer Lock. Tap Accept to the right of the door lock you wish to accept. Tap Confirm. The message, "The door lock transfer is successful, and you have become the door lock administrator," appears, indicating that the transfer was successful. Tap the Return button in the upper left corner. Go to the function menu in the bottom menu bar. Tap Locks. Once the door lock appears in the recipient's door list, it indicates that the transfer is completed.